Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to superscript in Canva. This is useful for adding exponents, footnotes, or styling text for a more professional look. Now, let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, for example, this is your text box, and you want to create a superscript. All we have to do is highlight the to, or highlight the text we want to superscript. Once we're here, we just need to click on Advanced Settings in the top part of the toolbar in Canva. After that, we click on More Settings. As you can see here, under Formatting in the Text Position section, you will find the Superscript option. When you click that, it will place the to in the upper right part of the first text. You can also make it smaller or keep it at the normal size. And that's how we use Superscript in Canva. With this simple trick, we can format our text more precisely and enhance our designs.